Hello friend, now your 300 liters vacuum emulsifying mixer is ready, and now I will test this machine for you. For the size of this machine, we will separate it into many parts, and in order to help you install this machine, we will mark some numbers on this machine. And for example, here we have a platform, and we may mark the number here, like here we add the number 1, here number 1 2, here also number 1, and you can connect this platform according to the number. After that, it's time to connect the wires, and here you can see we have 3 wires, and you could just connect these 3 wires to your factory power. And here we also have many wires which is marked with number, and you can just connect these wires according to the number. And when you want to use the functions, you can see here we marked the function of this switch, and when you want to use these functions, you should firstly turn on this switch. And here behind the machine, we have many pipes here, and when you receive this machine, you should connect these pipes. And we have marked the use of these pipes. Here you can see for this pipe, it is used for, here you can see, vacuum pump water inlet, and you should just connect this pipe to your factory tap water or other water resource. And here we also have a pipe connect to here. This is for the cool water inlet, and here the cool water outlet, it connects to the here what vacuum pump water outlet, and here you can just connect this pipe with your factory wastewater pool. And here we also have the air inlet, and you can just connect it to your factory air resource. And then I will introduce the top accessories of this main tank. Here you can see we have 2 CIP clean bore, and these 2 are connected to this pipe. And when you want to use the CIP system, you should just connect this pipe with your factory tap water or heating water resource. For this one, this is used to suck the materials from the storage tank or the water tank. And here we have a observing window, and you can see the condition of the materials inside through this window. And also we can open this and directly see the condition of the materials inside. And also you can use this window to add some additives. Also here we have incense hopper, and you can add some additives or incense from this hopper. And here you can see we have an air pressure gauge, and it will show the pressure inside the tank. And here the air filter, it helps unload the pressure, unload the vacuum of the main tank. And here this valve is used to help discharge the materials through the outlet. And here this valve is about the vacuum function, and when you want to use the vacuum function, you should just open this valve. And see here we have 4 clips, and before you using the air to squeeze the materials out of the discharging port, you need to clamp the port and the top cover with the clips. to prevent the pot cover from rising due to excessive pressure. Here you can see we have the outlet, and you can discard the products from here by open this valve. And for this machine, we also have another discharging way from tilting the whole machine, the whole port to discharge the products. As you can see, we have two control panels for this machine. One is the bottom panel, and the second one is the PLC control system. And I will firstly introduce the bottom panel for you. Here we have an emergency stop, and when you want to stop this machine, sadly you can press this button, and here you can see we have many lines to show the condition of the machine. And here this one is used to hydraulic up, and this one is used to stop this function, and here the hydraulic down stop this, and the tilt and reset the machine. Now I will test the bottom control panel for you. Because we have filled water into the tank, we want to test the dumping function for safety. And firstly is about the hydraulic up. I will press this green button, and here you can see and I will stop it. That is about the hydraulic down. Press it. And stop it. Now I will show you how to use this PLC control system. Here you can see this page shows the condition of the main port, and here you can see this is about the speed of the outmix, the time of the outmix, the speed of the inmix, and the time of inmix, the speed of the turbo, and the time of turbo. And here we have two. It shows the pressure inside the tank and the temperature inside the tank. And here we also have many buttons: the vacuum pump button, the turbo button, the outmix button, the inmix button. Here these two are about the hydraulic up and hydraulic down, and the heating function, the cooling function, and the powder sucking, and here the tilt and the reset. And also here for the water and powder port, we have water mix, water heating, and the sewage. Here we have the powder mixing, and on here you can see we have many numbers. It shows the actual temperature and the mixing speed. Here it also shows this mixing speed, and you can set all of this from this parameter set. You can set the speed of outmixing. For example, I set it to 45, and it will mix in the speed of 45 RPM. And you can also set the time of outmixing. From here you can set 200 it will work 200 seconds and then it will stop automatically. And for the in-mix and the tube, it's the same as this one. And here you can see the main heating and main cooling, and you can set the temperature here, and when it gets to the temperature you set here, it will stop the function automatically. And here we have the water into the main jacket. It will help you heat the materials inside the main tank. And before you use the heating function, you should firstly make sure that the jacket is full of water, and you can set the water here. You can set the time of the water inlet here, and here about the water heat, it's for the water port, and you can set the temperature of it and the speed here of it, and it will stop automatically when it gets to the number you set. And here the upper pressure press and the lower press, it will also automatically stop when it gets to the number you set. Here we also have the powder mix speed, and you can set the speed of the powder mixing speed of the powder mixer. And now I will test this machine for you by using this PLC control system. The first one is about the hydraulic knob. I will press that. When you're using this function, you should firstly make sure that this machine is out of vacuum, and then you can use this function. Okay, I will stop it. Then is the hydraulic down. Okay, then I will show you the function of auto mix. And then I will stop it. Sorry, wait for the stop of the auto mix. And now I will test the in mix. And now stop it. For the jacket, we haven't filled water in the jacket of this part, so we can't use the heating and cooling system. And if you want to use these two functions, you should firstly make sure that the jacket is full of water, and then I will test the toolbar here, press that, and I will stop it. Then I will test the vacuum function, and before you using the vacuum function, you should firstly make sure that all of the valves are closed, and then open this valve, and then you can open the vacuum pump. The number of the pressure gauge I will stop it. And when the machine is in vacuum, you can use this pipe to suck materials from other storage tank. And I will unlock the vacuum storage. Firstly, close this valve and then open this valve. You can see the number, and now the main tank is out of vacuum. I will close it, and here you can see the suck powder. Because we have no powder in the powder pot, so we won't test this machine, test this function for you. And then it's about the water and powder part, and the first one is about the water mix. Of the water pot, so I won't test the water heat. And here the powder mix, I will start it. You can see. Okay, I will stop it. And that's all for this machine. Thank you.